Higher soul, we on the go, yeah, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy. You ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy, yeah.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shop and now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet. Fly out to New Orleans, won't be back until the morning. Money was a shortage, we was feeling corny. All I really wanted was help grandma pay the mortgage. Loading up the vault till we had to pay for storage. Knew the work we put in would pay off and be rewarded. Yeah, and now we on it.
How's it going, guys? It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna go over RaggDollMotorsports Turbo Inlet. I want to give you guys some audio clips of what it sounds like inside the car. A lot of mechanical sounds, a lot of intake sounds, and I just wanted to give you guys what I hear inside my car. Now, what you're going to hear is a lot louder because the microphone will be set up on the back, but in the front, I would say you're losing maybe a few dBs. Percentage-wise, maybe 25% from what I'm actually hearing in the front. But I just wanted to make a video on the audio. I was gonna do one without the engine cover and then one with the factory cover back on, but I just didn't have any time to do that. Maybe I'll do that on a later video. But for now, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste of what it sounds like to have that RMS inlet installed on a clear engine cover made by Matt from Porsche Mod Squad. Let me show you guys. So here's my custom clear engine cover from Porsche Mod Squad. Looks absolutely amazing. You can see RaggDoll Motorsports Intercooler, fully polished. I will be upgrading the diverter valve. Not sure which one to go with yet. Fam, thanks for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Guys, if you like the content I'm putting out, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, please post them below. All right, let's get some audio clips for you. Let's get on the road. Alright guys, we are doing a RaggDoll Motorsports audio check. See if you guys can hear what I hear from inside the cabin. This is with a clear engine cover by Porsche Mod Squad. I will put out another video with the OEM engine cover in place. And also a video with the engine cover off, just to give you guys some ideas of what kind of noise we're getting from this. So hopefully you guys can pick it up. Hopefully the system in the back isn't drowning the audio out, but we'll see. Alright guys, we're going to switch it back to normal mode. Sport mode. Think a lot of air intake noises, a lot of mechanical noises going on. I'm hoping it picks up pretty good on the DJI mic. But right now we're in sport mode, just kind of cruising right now. Video, like I said, guys, I'm going to put the OEM cover back on, just for the guys who don't have a clear engine cover. They want to know what the audio sounds like with just their factory engine cover. And then I want to do one without, and I think that'll sound pretty insane. I I've already done it. I gotta share that with you guys. Very similar to what I was told to what a GT4 RS sounds like. Just, I don't know how they would be able to drive like that on a daily. We're gonna switch it back over to normal mode so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Subtle on the intake sounds right now. Alright, we are back. What did you guys think? Sounds absolutely amazing. All kinds of noises going on. Just adds to the driving experience if you ask me. But like I said, so much intake sounds, a lot of mechanical sounds going on. The exhaust does drown it out a little bit, especially when I'm really flooring it. The modified PSE exhaust from Porsche Mod Squad does make it a bit louder. I'm really excited to get this sole test pipe put in, but I do have to get that tune done first. So I'm really excited to see what that's gonna sound like with this, combined with RaggDoll Motorsports Turbo Inlet. Man, this thing's gonna be super loud, so stay tuned for that video, you guys. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys liked the video. Guys, if you like the content, again, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way, every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And fam, if you guys have any questions or any comments, please make sure to post them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, fam, on to the next project. Until then, have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.